back on site today to take a closer look at how a good architect and project team can transform the client's design brief for a functional, comfortable and beautiful family home into a truly high performance and sustainable building. As we saw earlier in the forest, wood and wood products can and will play a pivotal role in decarbonising the future built environment. Now we're going to take a closer step-by-step look at the design and construction of a high-performance timber frame house.
This has been a very inspiring and challenging project from the very start. The clients approach us with this dream of building their family home, and as everybody knows, you want your home to be comfortable, to be warm during the winter, cold during the summer, to have good air, indoor quality, be functional, and so on. But these clients wanted more than that. They wanted their home to meet the Passive House standards. And that for us was a challenge because we have never done a passive house before. So it became a very exciting opportunity, particularly because the client was the one that was leading us to that type of design. Regarding the construction, we always have a fabric first approach with great focus in sustainability. And sustainability has become more and more important in the last couple of years, and it comes with great design challenge that need to be considered very early in the process. So with that in mind, we wanted to use a material that will have the very high performance, and what better material than the material of the future, that is wood. So with this, it is a material that is widely used in this project. You see, when a tree is growing, it absorbs the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And any building that is constructed with timber, it has this fantastic ability of storing carbon for centuries. So we couldn't see any other option than going this route. So it was decided very early in the project that we are going to use timber frame. This timber frame, it will not be our standard timber frame. It's a timber frame that uses eye studs, and they are 300 millimeters eye studs that we can see them in the back, although the wall is closed. And then we use Medit Vent panels and SmartPly Pro Passive panels, which have very high performance regarding air tightness and come from certified sources and so on. So it always seemed like the right materials for this type of project. And then our walls, which are 300 millimeters thick, are filled with wood fill insulation. We also use the foundation, a raft foundation that has 300 millimeters of insulation. So it gives us a design that is free of thermal bridges, and again, it allows us to achieve the passive house standards that we want. The project aspirations included a low energy, sustainable house guided by the passive house principles. Passive house is the standard, leading standard in construction for energy efficiency. It stands for comfort, quality, and energy efficiency. Passive houses are designed to be comfortable all year round without the need or minimal need for energy inputs. In this house, we have a heating demand of 12.7 kilowatts hour per square meter annum, in comparison with the maximum of passive house, which is 15 kilowatts hour per square meter per annum. So we are quite good there, and we are aiming to achieve a BR rating of A1. So the house is designed to take the best of the solar gain, and we are facing most of the windows south, which is this direction. To north, we have very little windows to reduce to to avoid the thermal heat losses there. And to south, we also have the windows that have a canopy, so we are reducing the heat during the summer. So it's all about specifying the right elements, the right products to achieve the passive house standards. And we are delighted that we have achieved that in this project.
What I really want to emphasize at this point is that this timber frame house will achieve the highest standards of energy efficiency. It will achieve an A1 BER rating. It will also achieve the NZEB standard, and it will also be a certified passive house. And the important point I want to make here is that a lot of people think that passive house needs to be boring. When passive house started many years ago, it needed to be a simple box, but design principles have moved on so much in the last number of years, where as you can see behind me here, the architect has taken the principles of passive design, and if you think about it as a box, what she's done here is she's actually put 3 boxes or 4 boxes side by side at different heights and at different angles. So literally it is a case of keeping the simplicity of the box design and putting them together and forming this lovely vernacular style of building.